So we're going to the supermarket. Alright, I'm in Kampala, Uganda. I've been going to a supermarket over here. Right this way. Superstore. You know what? Go ahead. Lugogo Mall. Let's go through here. Superstore right here. Right here, hurry full. Chinatown Superstore. Let's check this off. So here I am, I'm in Kampala, Uganda. And today is the 3rd of July, 2025. My first time in Kampala. And this is a Chinatown Superstore. Everything in that store is made in China. It's owned by the Chinese, you know? And you get just about everything you can think of in there. That's about everything you can think of you get in that store. I just went in there, I bought one of those headlights to go camping. Makes it easy, you don't have to hold it in your hand. I think they also change money here too. There's a KFC right over there. Yummy. So this is the Carrefour Market.
You are 12 years. Are you at 12 years?
Go this way. Yeah.
And it's not allowed here.
Huh?
This one is not allowed inside here.
In the parking lot?
Yeah. You are not allowed.
Oh, I thought it was in the store. It's not allowed.
Eh?
I thought it wasn't allowed in the store.
In the store it's okay, but outside you don't,
All right.
you don't allow.
I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go across
No,
the street.
just
Yeah.
because you are going when you are taking when you are
And I'm supposed to meet some people in here.
you have
later.
to keep, then you go. You're not allowed. Because they will
Yeah.
conflict it and
Yeah, well, I didn't see any sign, you know? There's no sign telling you anything like that.